In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the saved reels on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then I'm gonna get into Reels, and now first off let me save some reel. To do that I'm just gonna hit at 3 dots and then hit at save. Now it says saved. That means that this reel has just been saved to my Reels collection. To find that reel, you should tap at your profile picture to open up your profile, then hit at 3 lines and select saved. And that's where you should tap at all posts, and then tap at that Reels tab to filter all your saved content by Reels. And that's where you can find all your saved reels. You can tap at any of them to watch them again. You can remix them. You can, for example, open up any reel, then hit at 3 dots, and then you can hit at unsaved to remove that reel from your collection. Then just refresh that reels page to see the effect. And that's all about how to save reels actually. So now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.